Hello designers, in today's video we are going to download a premium pack of patterns. So this is a very premium pattern pack which is used for multi-purposes. So for example, you can create a pattern set for the pillows, for your cosmetics items, for your digital and your print media projects. So it is a premium high quality patterns and you can download it for free. So if you want to download, you need to simply go to this website and remember this name, Jogaarr, and under the category of templates you are going to find this premium pack. And when you scroll down a bit, you will find a button of download from this area. So as you can see that there are already 226 designers are actually using it. So for the daily dose of these type of premium set, you must subscribe this channel and you will find all of the relevant things inside the Jogaarr website.